Congress leader Mallikarjun Kharge, who is one of the candidates in the party's forthcoming president election, today said he had told Shashi Tharoor, the other candidate in the fray, that it is much better to have a consensus candidate for the president's post. He also said that it was on the insistence of senior party leaders that he decided to fight for the party president's post. Explaining the reason behind his decision to contest the election, he said, "As Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi did not want to fight the elections, I was asked by my senior colleagues to contest the elections. I am not fighting against anyone, I am fighting for the ideology of the Congress party." He further said, the status quo and change that Dr. Tharoor has been talking about will be decided by the delegates and the All India Congress Committee. One person will not be taking the calls, it will be taken collectively. Defending his loyalist MLAs who staged a high-powered drama on the replacement for the Rajasthan Chief Minister, Ashok Gehlot today said that he could not ditch the 102 MLAs who saved his government during the 2020 rebellion in the state. On whether the Chief Minister could still be changed, Mr. Gehlot said that it is for the party high command to decide. "I am doing my work and if a decision has to be taken, it is for the party high command to take," he said. However, the Chief Minister's public outreach suggests he is determined to stay on. "I have got public support whenever I needed, be it during the political crisis or during Corona. Therefore, how can I stay away from them?" Gehlot added. Former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister and Samajwadi Party leader Mulayam Singh Yadav's health deteriorated on Sunday and he was shifted to the ICU at Medanta Hospital in Gurugram. The 82-year-old Samajwadi Party leader was admitted for several days, but on Sunday he has been shifted to ICU after his condition worsened. Meanwhile, Akhilesh Yadav left for Delhi from Lucknow as soon as he received the news of his father's health. Mulayam Singh Yadav, referred to as Netaji, founded the Samajwadi Party. He currently represents the Mainpuri constituency in the Lok Sabha. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, who has thrown his hat in the ring for the party president post, said that leaders like Mallikarjun Kharge can't bring changes to the party and will continue the existing system. Making his case for the Congress chief post, Shashi Tharoor said that if elected, he will bring changes as per the expectations of party workers. "We aren't enemies, it's not war, it's a poll for our party's future. Kharge ji comes in top 3 leaders of Congress party. Leaders like him can't bring change and will continue the existing system. I'll bring change as per the expectations of party workers," Shashi Tharoor said in Nagpur. A passenger on board a Myanmar National Airlines flight got injured after a bullet that was shot from the ground hit him mid-air. The bullet had pierced through the aircraft's fuselage. The passenger was rushed to a hospital after the plane landed in Myanmar's Loiko. According to British news agency The Sun, the aircraft was flying at an altitude of 3,500 feet and around 4 miles north of the airport. Following the incident, the Myanmar National Airlines office in Loiko announced that all flights to the city have been cancelled indefinitely.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.